Let's see those fucking horns in the air! Everybody, let's go! Follow me! I don't need to feel like I can do this all on my own. Welcome to the music party! It's a bit of last night, you can see us playing shit, yeah! We're all so elegant, bitter and twisted! Just another black guy, why you play for hell, yeah! You can't let go! Defeated, you let your demons hold you unforsaken. Like getting blood from a stone. You try to shake them, but they won't let you go. And we don't have the time to stop and look at wow, it's inside. Get it out of your mind, get it realize. It's every man for himself if we're gonna survive. One now, out the other. One now, out the other. One now, out the other. Tell us get us inside to recover. Your shine the sun, your skin blows the wind. Your shine the sun, your skin blows the wind. Everybody up! Gonna need to feel like you can do this all on my own. Open this motherfucker up, let's go!
Have you reached somebody?
Welcome to the music party! Everything you've done, everything you've done, you're about to abuse. Shut up, shut up, shut up! Hands up! Your shine the sun, your skin blows the wind. Your shine the sun, your skin blows the wind. Everybody bounce, bounce. I don't need to feel like I can do this all on my own. Where those fucking horns now? Hey, sincerely, thank you so fucking much. Fuck yeah.